one thing more, like you should expectation only with yourself, not others. But common people, what do you think? They expect always from another person, like your parents, sibling, and any another person. They expect so many things, and after that, what happened? They just depressed. Like it's not necessary. Like if you are expecting to anyone, so they will fulfill your expectation. It's not necessary because you are another person, they are another person, they have another thinking, you have another thinking. So
Yeah.
that's why that happened, and that's a very big causes of your sadness, because you are expecting something, like he called me, she called me, she will do something with me, for me, but she is not doing for you, and he is not doing for you, and after that you thought he is not good guy because he is not doing. So why? Good evening, Jivan. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Guys, again, today we have very special guest. And why I always say special guest? Because these people are really doing great in their life. And why? We don't need to compare because it's not easy to come on camera. I know how it's difficult. Even I know many guys who are doing their great in their life. They are universities. They are in MNCs. And when I ask them, hey, can you share your story with me? And they say, no, 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 no. It's a very difficult task. I don't want to be on camera. I don't want to be recorded. So thanks, ma'am. You got agreed and come here to talk with me. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much for calling me here. I'm so curious for sharing my whole things, what's my story and everything. You can
My
ask.
pleasure, ma'am. My pleasure, ma'am, to have you here. So, okay, so, ma'am, I will start from your introduction part. What exactly you do? What are you doing right now? So, go ahead, please.
Okay. Uh, my name is Aarti. I am from Bhopal, and my education, I have done MSc in mathematics. Some computer diploma I have done already, and now I am married. I have two children and my lovely husband, and we are living together here in Bhopal. And
Yeah.
my interest is like mm, I like to gardening, baking, and learning new things. I'm curious to learn new things always. That's why I was learning English, and I got new platform, Telegram and Skype, and that's why, and I can speak English. It's a boon for me, and what can I say about my family? I can say my son is in 10th class, and my daughter is in first class, and my husband doing work in Noida. So that's
Yeah.
my intro. Yes, and
Great.
my native place is MP in Tikamgarh, like this. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, a very lighter note. I have very serious question as well, but I just wanna start this podcast with very lighter note. The question is, many people say, don't get married, otherwise you're gonna mess up your life.
Mm.
So you said you are very happy. You have very happy
Yes.
family. So are you really happy or just you are pretending like you are happy?
No, I'm not pretending. I'm actually very happy with them. I have a very nice and lovely family. I'm not saying only about my family, like my husband, my kids, but I want to say about my whole in-laws family. They are very loving with me. They all respect with me always. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm so thankful for everyone, and especially thankful to my God, because God has given me everything. So that's why I have a great attitude, great gratitude for my God every time. Yes.
I'll come
So
on later part.
marriage is a very good thing, and everyone should do. Yeah.
Okay, great, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, actually, I was thinking to make this podcast on motherhood and parenting. Uh, but, even I have some more question. Okay, so firstly, let's talk about motherhood and parenting. Okay, it's very important, like especially in India, Indian subcontinent. So, what exactly you think? My question is, let me elaborate this. Actually, I'm very concerned about mother and parents. They are very concerned how to take care of kids, like the later part of life. When they become teenage, so they can have good success. They can have good career. They are very aware. Everybody is aware.
Hmm.
So, my first question is, how your life had changed after becoming a mother?
Okay. So I would like to say about it. Like when I got a first child, he was son. He was son for me. To that time, I was facing some problems, but because of him, I just forgot everything because he was very cute, smart, and what can I say about him? He is very
Yeah,
nice. He was very nice that time, so that's why. So I can say after getting child, that time you can feel your life is totally changed, and like after that I just get my second child. That time like we can say now, like they are my fortune and my boon, and that's why after getting my child, so I was taking all things in my life, like respect, love, and everything I have, because it happened like our elder have told us, like if they have already some luck, and our luck will match each other sometime, and that's why. So I'm very fortunate both of them. So that's my thing, and what can I say? My life has totally changed. Sorry, yeah, my life has totally changed before some days, because the previous time I was so disappointed from my life. But I got some new books, and I just started to watch some motivational speakers. They are. And I was habitual to watch that podcast and everything, and I just followed everything, and uh, now I have everything in my life. What can I say
okay,
about it? I'm so
great,
happy and totally happy. Yes.
great. Another question is about parenting. As I told you, everybody is very concerned, like especially I'm talking about parents. I met some parents, even my parents. Everybody is concerned what exactly my son is, my daughter is doing. He's doing hard work or not in terms of education and getting marks. There are so many concerns they have. So my question is, what the things which you just have been following in your life to taking care of your kids. Like you told, your son is class 10th right now. So
Yes.
when he was growing up, what the things you were caring that time? Like I know you said care of her, his or her education and this and that, blah blah blah.
Okay. So, like I want to say about my son first of all. So he was a very side nature. He has a side nature right now, and at that
Mm.
time I try to make him understand, like okay, you should talk and you should ask any question to us and with your family members, and you should respect to everyone. And
Yeah.
he has a guts, and he has so much mannered already. He is a
Mm.
topper on this about his class already. So I am so happy with him. But
Yeah.
what happened nowadays, we have to be a friend of our children, because they are
Yeah.
in a growing age right now. Like my son age is like 15 years. So I
Yeah.
have to be a friend. Otherwise he was not able to share everything with me, and he
Yeah.
started to hide something from me, and after that he can face some problem in his life. So that's why, first of all, in this era, we should be a friendly with our children. Don't be aggressive, and don't be angry if they are doing any mistake. That time you should try to understand why they should any mistake, why they did any mistake and something. So we should try to talk to them, and try to make him understand, like you can share with me, we are with you, and we will support with you. So they will be free with us, and they will also consider with you as a friend. And that time you can take care of your children nowadays, because nowadays children are getting so much stress from study and from society as well. They have so many friends, and they are using social media a lot. We know very well about it. So that time they are getting so many things. They are taking stress day by day. If they are not able to talk to you properly, because if you are means I am saying about parents. If you
Mm.
are very angry parents and strict parents, that time children are not able to say anything else with you. They can't
Yeah.
share with you. Always they just scared with you, and they try to hide everything what they are facing in his life. They won't share with you, and after that they can take some wrong step in their life. After that you will be realized, okay, no, I shouldn't be so much strict with my children. They can go deep depression that time.
Yeah.
So you should be take care of your children like in a good way, in a good manner. They will listen definitely with you if you are a polite parents.
Exactly. Okay. Let me add one more question. What exactly you had concern when he was growing up, like about his education or about his assignments? What exactly you had concern? Many guys, like, let me tell you, many parents, they have kind of concern. Hey, my son and my daughter is kind of very introvert. My son is not getting good marks. Many parents, they have different kind of concern. So what you had concern that time?
um, I have one concern only. कि you should get knowledge properly. You don't need to get a very high marks, because nowadays I'm also listening from everywhere. Like you shouldn't say to your children every time that you should be 100%. You should take 100% and a 90%, because if you are saying you are expecting a lot with your children, that time they are going to take stress, so much stress, because they are thinking always. They think oh, I'm not good in study, but my parents has so much expectation with me, those kind of things. So that's not good. We should focus only about knowledge. If they are getting knowledge, they are absorbing everything which they are studying, they are taking study, that time it's enough for them. Because in future, knowledge will help you a lot, not only marks. Marks is okay, you should be first class at least, but knowledge is most important to you. So if your child like this, like he can get knowledge, he can spread knowledge, he is able to do everything, it's enough. It should be enough for you. But don't be pushed to him or her like you should get 100% or 90 or 80 above. After that they can't get, and they will be depressed definitely. So
So
my
actually,
concern
actually,
on it
okay.
only.
Actually, let me make it again. Actually, I was asking what exactly. It was very great suggestion and advice, but my question was, what exactly you had concern? Can you remember those concern when he was like a 5 year, 8 year, 10 years old?
That time what can I say, I was thinking about like he should be good in academic, and
Yeah,
by God grace he is very good in academic, and my
yeah,
daughter is going very good right now. So I'm happy with them. But my husband said to me always like you don't need to think about him so much, like what they will be become in a future, because they have a right, they can choose, and they have a luck already. What they want to be become in future, we will help them only. We will help and we will support only. So you don't need to think a lot like what they should study a lot,
yeah.
and why they are playing only. Because you shouldn't be concerned so much about them. They will choose their path very nicely. They are capable. So you should be
Yeah, yeah.
free for them. Yes.
Okay, okay, great. I got it. Okay, ma'am, let's talk about you. I know you are very. I know before this podcast, you were saying like you are a great fan of reading books. Yeah,
Yes.
self-help book and so many things. So let's talk
Yeah.
about those habits. So how many book you have read till now?
I think I didn't read so much books, but at least 4 or 5 books I have read already, and like some Hindi books and some English book only. So I love some books. Like one book is Mrityunjay, and I read in Hindi this book, but this book contains in the Karna story, who was a friend of Duryodhan in Mahabharata. So
Yeah,
that time it was a Karna story, and I liked it a lot. And second book is like The Secret, Law of Attraction, how to get anything else in your life. So I
Yeah.
just followed all rules from the secret book. And the third book I like, Rich Dad Poor Dad, how to grow your business and how to think big, and how can you grow your business very
Yeah. Go on, please.
it was on hold, sorry. So
Yeah.
that's time. So I just read some books and some Chetan Bhagat novel I have read already. So I like reading, and nowadays, but I didn't have time, so I just left. But I'm starting again for reading.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what have you learned from these books? Any very great things you have learned and would like to share here?
Okay. So like I want to say about two books, like one Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the second one is The Secret. So I want to say first Rich Dad Poor Dad. I like this book so much because I want to do my startup something. And that time when I read this book, so they try to make me understand like how to start your business in a little amount. Means you don't need to have so much uh, amount in your pocket, and after that you can start. And what
Yeah.
is the business ideas, so they are providing me. And so that's why I like this book. And second is The Secret book. So The Secret book I like most because when I got a secret book in my life previous year, so that time I was reading by as a book, it's like book. But after completing this book, after reading, I just thought it's very nice book, I have to read more and more, so many times. So I read so many times this book, you know. And I just get everything in my life because in
Yeah.
this book some contents are available. You can think like what do you want in your life, you can take, you can get. How? Because there are only three things. First of all, you have to clear of your goals what you want. And second things, you have to trust on it, like you can get. Means you have to trust on God and about yourself. And third thing, you will get definitely. Means your visualization work on it. And you should have gratitude for everything which you want, which you have to gratitude. So
Yeah.
that's some important things is in it in this book. So I love this book. And one thing more, like you should expectation only with yourself, not others. But common people, what do you think? They expect always from another person, like your parents, sibling, and any another person. They expect so many things, and after that what happened? They just depressed, like it's not necessary. Like if you are expecting to anyone, so they will fulfill your expectation. It's not necessary because you are another person, they are another person, they have another thinking, you have another thinking. So
Yeah.
that's why that happened. And that's a very big causes of your sadness, because you are expecting something, like he called me, she called me, she will do something with me, for me, but she is not doing for you, and he is not doing for you. And after that you thought he is not good guy because he is not doing. So why he will do, why he will do anything else with you? Because he is another person, you are another. So you should think about yourself, you should be expectation with you only. You can fulfill your expectation by yourself. That's the thing. So so many things here is contained in this book, and I love this. And most important thing, I just followed all things in my life. And after that I just saw like I am observing in my life, like I am getting
Yeah.
everything, love, respect, and everything in my life. Everyone knows about my family. I live in a joint family, and they are very good for me, because
Exactly.
I was spreading only positive vibration, positive vibration. Before what happened? I was a common lady, and I was doing all like work, like common people do this work. Like if someone say to me some wrong, I will. I have started to think negative. He is not good, and she is not good, like this. But now when I just read this book, after that I thought, no, I am Aarti. I can think positive. It doesn't matter. And any another person can sorry, any another person is thinking positive or not, because I should think positive only. And when I started to think positive, that time I get everything in my life. So that's a very nice book for me.
Okay, okay, great. I observed two, three things there. Like you said, after having these books, your life has completely changed. Yeah. And
Yes.
another point was there, you talked about law of attraction. So why do you say, law of attraction is really working in your life? Many people, there it's a part of very huge debate. Many people say it's just a, drama, it's just an illusion, law of attraction never works. So why you are saying like law of attraction really, has worked for you? Why
Yeah,
can you
it's
say a little bit about this? Can you
yes,
elaborate?
I can say it's really works for you if you are you know very well how to attract anything else. Means you have to visualize first, like what is this? Like what do you want? You know what happened? Why guys are not able to get anything else which they want? Because they are also not clear okay, what they want. Sometimes they want car, sometimes they want a jeep, sometimes bike. So that's not good. You have to clear about your goal, and you
Yeah.
have to focus. You know, God will give you so many ways. You don't need to think like how can you get. You not don't need to think. Only
No, no, no,
you
no. Look,
think
look,
what
look,
you want.
look, look, look. Don't bring God. Okay, I'm talking about law of attraction. So if suppose I want to be a one MNC company, okay, and now I'm visualizing, okay, one day I'll be in that company. So this is the first
Mhm.
step. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
I want to say about it, like you are saying about multinational company, MNC company. So it's
Yeah.
okay, but you will have to think like this. You shouldn't think like this. I will be work in the multinational company. You will have
Yeah.
to think like this, like I'm working in multinational company in present
Okay.
time. You will
Okay.
have to pretend like this. Okay, I have a multinational company and means I'm doing work there and I'm enjoying my life. You have to think always like this, like if you are doing multinational company anything else any
Yeah.
work, that time what will be your routine?
Okay.
When will you wake up, when will you go there, and how will you go there, and how kind of work will you do there? So you will have to think like I'm doing this work in present. You will have to think only present, and
Okay.
you will have to trust on it. And after some time you will get some interview call letter in from MNC company. Like Jeevan, you can come here and you can join with me like this happened. And you know what happened? Common people doesn't know how to attract, how to follow. That's
Okay.
why they said I can't trust on it, like
No, no, no,
law of
ma'am.
attraction.
Okay, don't make it philosophy. I just want to understand, like, whoever going to watch this video, I just want to make it simple for them. Okay. So you said
Mhm.
firstly visualize. So I'm gonna visualize. Okay. Now I'm working in a Google. Really, I'm not take. I just want to take any company name. So I just working there. I'm manager. I'm this sport, that sport. I'm working on project this that. I'm completely in that situation. So what is the next step? This was the first
Uh,
step.
Okay, so
Yeah.
next step it will be happen like you will have to work about your career, which you want to become in future. Like if you have a dream to work in MNC company, so that time at least you should have degree like this. Like you can go there, you can give interview there. So when you start to think about MNC company, naturally. So after some time you will get some interview call, because according to me law of attraction means you should be positive always. You shouldn't be think like I am capable but I am not they are not calling me. Why it happened? No, not like
So,
this.
ma'am, sorry for interruption. Do you think it's easy to be a positive every time?
It's not easy, but you will have to make easy this thing, because I was also I have faced so many things. I was also negative that time, but what happened? You will have to read, you will have to watch some positive podcast and everything. After that you can observe like how can we think positive. It happened with us. Okay, it's necessary. If you don't know, so because we are common, we have a mind, and mind works all day, all night, and mind can think some positive, some negative. When you face some problem,
Okay.
naturally you will go some negative things. Na, definitely it
Okay.
happen.
Okay,
Yes.
let's get back to law of attraction. So I'm not going to in that part. It's not a debate. But my question is, how many things you have achieved just because of law of attraction? You said your life has changed. Now you are very positive. And what
Yes.
others? What other things you have achieved?
Yes, so I want to say about it. Like before, like I had some problem in my life,
Yeah.
but because of my negative thought that time. But now what happened? I just started to spread positive vibration in my universe, because I was thinking about it like okay, I'm thinking negative in my room. No one is
Yeah.
seeing me, but God is seeing everything. That time I just started to think positive, and someone was creating some problem from me, but I started to say no, he or she is very good for me because he is my relatives, and so many things. I just started to thought, and after a few days, what happened? Like those kind of person comes to me, and they said Aarti, I won't create any problem for you, and you can do anything. They took time, 2 3 months, because I just started to think positive from them, and my vibration went there, and after that they get everything about it. I get everything. So that's